All
Welcome,
right.
friends. Welcome. We got a package today, and I'm pretty excited about this package.
Yes, it's
So
the
this,
unboxing.
the unboxing of our YouTube 100,000 subscribers silver play button.
Oh wait. Okay, you haven't really looked.
No.
It's just. So I think before you reveal it, I think you should formally thank. So thank you.
Thank you, everybody, for subscribing. Thank you to everyone who's been watching us for 10
Many
years.
years. Yes, many years. Thank you.
And thank you for everyone who has recently subscribed. We went from 30,000 subscribers to 140 some thousand subscribers as of today in a period of just about a month, which is absolutely incredible. And we thank you very much.
We appreciate you subscribing. It tells you that tells us, I should
Tells us
say,
that we're on the right track.
we're doing the right thing.
For a long time, I
and,
felt like I was screaming in the dark.
Hey, okay. Boy, Glenn, I was going to do a big reveal, but
Okay.
clearly Glenn's going to be less dramatic about the whole thing.
Big reveal. Here we go. Are you ready? Big reveal.
Oh, a letter. I'm going to read that and.
Ooh.
Dun, dun, dun.
And the plaque. Oh, it's so shiny and silver.
It is very shiny and very. Oh, it's even reflective.
It's reflective in the middle. Look at that. Thanks, everyone. This is fantastic. So this will sit back there.
We'll find a place. We'll
find a place
find
for
a
it.
place. And when you see it, know that it's about you.
And
Thanks.
so what does the letter say?
Oh, they're very lovely, kind words. Did you?
Excellent. Now we're good enough.
Okay.
Hey, chicken.
Oh, trouble.
This is chicken. People have been asking about what the cat is in the background.
That's the cat.
This is the cat in the background, chicken, making lots of, except when he's on camera, he's not going to say anything. So,
In that case,
thank you very much. Cheers, Julie. A little bit of ginger beer. Thanks for stopping by, making this a success, and we'll see you again soon.